Okay. When you replace a roof, you're supposed to, you should, better word, replace the rain gutter. That's what you should do. If the roof's a couple years old, sometimes you don't replace the rain gutter, but rain gutter lasts about 14 years. A roof lasts about 14 years. So if you replace the roof covering and don't replace the rain guttering, then you're going to have ongoing maintenance with the rain gutter, and it can also have an adverse effect not just to the structure but to the roof installation itself. And it's obvious that this rain gutter is in very, very poor condition, and I have word that this roof might be days old, and it just seems a shame that this rain gutter would have been treated like this. It's obvious that it's leaking.